This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable microphone access on the Zen web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Zen web browser opened up now. To enable or disable microphone access, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on the little gear wheel. That will open up my settings page. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the permissions section, and in the permissions section, right here is microphone. You want to click on Settings off to the right of microphone. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, down towards the bottom, you have a little checkbox here. It says block new requests asking to access your microphone. If this is checked, websites will not be allowed to access your microphone. If it is unchecked, websites can ask to use your microphone. Then you would go down to the bottom and you would click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable microphone access in the Zen web browser. Thanks for watching.